Hello everyone, we are Team Free Thinkers. We are presenting one-click application to you. Our team consists with our team leader Desha Nao Disanayaka, Ashara Atuporala, and Dulmini Kulatunga. We chose decent work and economic growth is the 18th one of the Sustainable Development Goal. Our problem definition and analysis, the daily labor work downs where the worker is hired and paid one day at time with no promise that work will be available in the future. There are daily workers in area, but only a limited number. This makes it difficult for parties who need their services to contact them. Some may not be aware of the daily workers in the areas, as well as it too always takes a lot of times and effort to contact them. For these reasons, it can be difficult to find and contact service providers in an emergency. At the same time, our opportunities provide services to laborers are being missed. We suggest a digital product to solve this problem. Our solution we suggest is a click application to solve the about the problems. It connects parties who need the services and the workers who provide services to each other in the area. This will make it easier for these service seekers to find laborers with day-to-day employment opportunity through the application. Therefore, the economic hardships of the daily workers are also avoided. Objectives of our solution, ensuring trust between service seeking parties and service providers, provide a flexible service, providing daily employment opportunities to the workers, avoided the economic hardships of the workers. Relationships with SDGs. Decent work and economic growth is the 18th one of the Sustainable Development Goal that mentioned by the UNICEF. Decent work means opportunities for everyone to get work and productive for women, men in conditions of the freedom, equity, security, and human dignity. Economic growth is an increase in the productions of the economic goods and services compared for one period of time to another. Lack of decent work opportunities, high rates of unemployment problems we can identify in this. Creating this application also a good opportunity to find new jobs, effective measures to eradicate forced labor, human trafficking, achieve higher levels of economic productivity through diversification, technological upgrading, and innovation, including through a focus on high valued added. When we are talking about marketing plan and business model, when we using this application, we target about 25 above age for domestic service. We hope to give our service for 1,000 clients and 200 service provided to reach our target. Housekeepers, painter, welder, automotive technician. Likewise, we use as our service providers to give good services. Service providers and users can register and hire the providers through the application. Other hands, this is a support services provided through the application. When we are talk about our timeline, we hope to designing this app in 2022 on January, and launching this app in 2022 in March, and enrollment of business and customer on April, doing the end of the test run on April, and doing the alternatives according to the feedbacks on May. Start enrollment the multinational brands on June. This is a very easy process to select the service providers without wasting their valuable times and money.
Okay, let's see how this application will work. Before request a service provider, you should create the account under if you are existing customer, you can log into your existing account by using your username and password. If not, if you are a new customer, you should, before you create an account, you should provide your full name, email address, phone number, and password. Then you can sign up as a new customer. After login to the application, you can see this dashboard in your application. In here, there are so many options, and we have provided main 8 services through this application. They are cleaning, landscaping, carpentry, painting, electrician, mechanic, plumber, and security. As a user, you can request any service provider under this each and category. As an example, I will show how you should request a service provider under cleaning category. First, you should select a cleaning category. Then there are some questions. First of all, you should select and confirm your location. After that, you can apply a date. You can apply a date and time, as well as you can one person to complete your work. Uh, After that, there are some work types. It's mean under cleaning category, we can identify some subcategories. There are some subcategories. First one is sofa cleaning, glass cleaning, and outdoor cleaning. You can select any each subcategory and go next page. In here also, you can place an additional note as a user, uh, as well as you can select your payment method. You can pay by cash or pay by credit. You should pay after service provider serve their services, as well as you can request more than one service provider, more than one services providers under each category. It means you can request service provider under cleaning category, as well as you can request service provider under painting category. There is the option to request both service providers in same time. There is add to cart option. You can first add cleaning service provider to cart, and then you can request uh, another service provider under painting category. After that, you can submit. After that, after you request a service provider, you can see their location. It means after request to a service provider, he will reach you. Then you can see how many duration, how many time, then that they take to reach your location. After reach your location, the service provider complete their duties. After that, you should pay the money that shows in this application. Uh, After that, if you think that service provider has a good experience regarding that work, you can give a positive feedback for that service. That is the main objective in this application. Uh, After that, I will explain what are the extra features of this application. In here, you can see the menu bar. There is an option to plan your next month. It means uh, you can schedule your next hiring date. You can use this calendar and schedule the next hiring date to complete your work, something repetition work. This option to those who customer have repetition workload. Okay. After that, there is a history. There is a history option. You can see your history. What what are the services that you have requested through this application, and what are the activities, and as well as when you have requested those activities. Those are the main function of this application, and some features of this application, as well as in here also some main shortcut. You can go your planning event through this icon also. I think you will get the full knowledge regarding this application.